You ready, yeah? I don't know if I can bring myself to take the tow bar off, Peps. I don't know if I can bring it. It might be for me teardrop.
Oh yeah.
Lovely. Yeah, okay, right. Yeah, then, Pete. What was it? That Bodget and Scarpa. I haven't even tried to start my cortina yet. I haven't done anything, but what I have done is... voila! Look at that. Look at that. Shed pile. I'm going to leave that on there, Dave. Well, remember the interior in the Mark 1. Oh, I don't know, is that Sierra? Looks like it, doesn't it? That was in it. Not quite sure what it was. So we got this interior that come with it. But there's meant to be a lovely trimmers down in Plymouth. I don't know. Just have to see. That's where we're at so far with the chocks of wood. Lovely.
If you like what you see, please leave the thumbs up and leave any comments below and any questions. There'll be more to follow. Thanks.